Hello friends, welcome to Ansys-Tutor. In this video, we are going to analyze flow around a perforated two-step step insert. We are going to create the geometry in this tutorial. So start from creating the geometry in Ansys Design Modeler. Now go to units and change it to millimeter. Now click on XY plane, select the Z axis. Now go to sketching and draw a circle. Select the origin as the starting point and draw the circle. Now go to dimensions, put the dimensions, diameter as 20 mm. Then we are going to extrude this sketch to make the outer cylinder. Select the extrude option, click on apply. Select the operation as add frozen. Select the depth as 200 mm. Now click on generate. A cylinder will be generated. Now create a new plane at an offset of 50 mm from the XY plane. So select offset along Z axis and put the value as 50 mm. Click on generate. Now we are going to create the insert geometry on this plane. So select the new plane and create a new sketch over here. Now we are going to draw this cross section of this insert. For this, go to draw panel and select rectangle option. Now draw a rectangle over here. Now we are going to put symmetry constants of the two sides of this rectangle. Select the middle axis first, and then the top and bottom edges of this rectangle. Similarly, for the sides, select again the symmetry option, select the y axis, then the two vertical sides. Now the rectangle is symmetric about this two axis. Now we are going to put the dimension of the two sides. Now put the height as 15 mm and the thickness of the insert as 1 mm. Now click on generate. Now we are going to draw the line along which the twisted tape insert will be twisted. Select the XZ plane and draw a line over here. Create a new sketch and draw a line. Put the dimension. Start the line at the new plane. So it should be at 50 mm from the origin. Enter the height as 100 mm. Enter the total length of this line. Create always show sketch of this line so that it would be visible while we are going to sweep this twisted tape sketch. Select the sweep option, select the profile as the twisted tape. Now select the line as the path, then click on apply. Select the operation as add frozen and the twist as turns, and it should be 1 turn. Now click on generate. This is our twisted tape. Now we are going to make the holes in this twisted tape. In this video we are going to see how you can easily make the twisted tapes. Go to ZX plane, go to sketching, then draw a circle. This circle is going to be our hole on this twisted tab insert. Now put the diameter of this circle as 3 mm and distance from this axis as 3 mm. Now click on generate. Now we are going to sweep this circle along this twisted tab insert. So select sweep option, select the circle as the profile, as the line as the path, the same line as the path which has been used as for twisted tab insert. Now put the number of turns. Here increase the number of turns so that there will be a helix, formation of helix around this twisted tab. Enter the number of turns as 10. Now we are going to boolean this helix from this twisted tab. Hide the outer sketch, outer geometry, outer cylinder. Now here it is not intersecting the twisted tab properly. So we are going to extrude this end of this helix a little bit so that there would be a proper hole over here. So select the face, select the extrusion option, select the direction as the y axis. Then click on generate. Now we are going to join this extruded portion with the helix. So select the helix, go to boolean tool, select the extruded portion as well as the helix portion, then click on apply, then click on generate. Now it is a single body, the helix as well as the extruded body as the single body. Now we are going to create again the boolean tool, select the twisted tab as the target body and the helix as the tool body, and preserve tool body option as no, then click on generate. Here you can see the holes has been generated on the twisted tabs at an uniform manner. You can also increase the number of turns in the helix to increase the more number of holes in this twisted tab. If you are increasing the number of turns, the holes, number of holes would be increased also, like this. Now go to boolean tools and subtract this hole insert in from this outer cylinder domain. Here the tool bodies as the twisted tab insert and preserve tool body option as yes. Then click on generate. Now select the two bodies and make it as one part. Now geometry is complete. We are going to analyze this geometry in our next part. Thank you.